What if you could get high-speed, multicolor 3D printing without breaking the bank? Meet the FlashForge AD5X. It's FlashForge's first integrated 4-color printer, and it's designed to bring professional features to your desktop for around $399. Let's dive into why this might be your next, or even your first, 3D printer. First, let's talk numbers. The AD5X is built on a Core XY metal structure, which means it's rock solid even at high speeds. The AD5X has a max print speed at 600 mm S, max acceleration of 20,000 mm S superscript 2, letting it zip through complex layers. The build volume is also a beast of 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters cube, perfect for most hobbyist projects. Temperature of the nozzle reaches 280 degrees Celsius, handling everything from standard PLA to PETG, TPU, and even ASA. Smart features include full auto one-click leveling, a vibration compensation algorithm for smoother surfaces, and a tool-free quick-swap nozzle system that lets you switch tips in seconds, which is the best for a budget and user-friendly printer. So who is this printer really for? Hobbyists who want to upgrade from a basic machine to something faster, cleaner, and more capable. Makers selling prints. The speed alone can double your output of products. Cosplayers and prop builders who want big, colorful parts without painting everything by hand. Designers and educators who need reliable, multi-material prototypes. If you ever want a printer that can handle both everyday prints and more advanced projects, the AD5X hits that sweet spot. Let's talk about value, because this is where the AD5X really stands out. Most printers with this combination of features, Core XY, high speed, multicolor, auto leveling, cost way more, sometimes double. But FlashForge managed to pack all of that into a machine that's still budget-friendly. You're getting premium features without paying premium prices. If you're trying to get the most capability for your money, the AD5X is honestly one of the strongest options out there right now. After spending time with this printer, here's my honest take. The FlashForge AD5X is one of the most well-rounded printers in its class. It's fast, it's reliable, it's easy to use, and it gives you room to grow. Whether you're printing simple PLA models or multicolor showpieces, it handles it all without complaining. It's not just a good beginner printer, it's a good everyone printer. And that's why I think it's absolutely worth buying. If you're thinking about picking one up, I'll have links in the description so you can check the current price. And if you want to see what this printer can really do, look at my short-form videos. I've got some print tests and multicolor prints that will blow you away. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want to compare the AD5X to other printers like the K1C or the Bamboo A1. Thanks for watching and happy printing. If you're thinking about picking one up, I'll have links in the description so you can check the current price. And if you want to see what this printer can really do,